Hey there. I'm just going away for a few days. Got enough food and water? Yes. Bye.
When you're on a holiday, you can't find the words to say all the things that come to you, and I wanna feel it too. On an island in the sun.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you guys might realize, I have to leave my dog. Leaving him for a few days, I think like two nights pretty much, because I'm here at Grand Bahia Luxury Principe, whatever it's going to be called, but that's where I am, man. I got tongue tied just now, but right now pretty much I had to be walking all the way from the regular side to come over to the luxury side because there wasn't enough parking, so I had to leave my stuff like by the lobby, and then now I just got to the luxury section. I hope this is a good insight for you guys to see like what it's like in a property like this, even though normally I really prefer going to like the roots Jamaica, not like no luxury, nothing, just the regular thing, isn't it? So I'm gonna check this out and see how this goes. So pretty much just here doing some filling out forms and stuff, like name, passport, stuff like that, you know. And ooh, look at this. Woo! Hoppin'. It's awesome. Yeah, so as I was interrupted just now, so we just got greeted with some bubbly. You know, this is what we go and drink. It's pretty good, like the atmosphere here is pretty chill at the moment, so I'm gonna try to check into the room and then I can deal with, like, do some more video. Feel like a slavery this in a way you handcuff me.
Alright, so it's how you are recognized as luxury guests. You wear your bracelets because there's a grand resort and the persons on the ground are not allowed to come to the luxury. So
okay.
Of course, this is how luxury guests are distinguished.
Alright, cool. So right now the motive is to get something to eat. The room is not going to be ready until like 2 o'clock, I believe, and we're here at, it's now like 12:30, so I need to find something to do pretty much. Well, get something to eat, that's the first thing that I want to happen. So trying to find the restaurant and where that is, because this is a big property. Ooh. So we got to the pool area where they say where the how can you say it? Yeah, they say this is where the restaurant is, or one of the small ones, so I can see it in front of me right now. So hopefully they have things like burgers or something like that, burgers and fries and, you know, non-typical things. I know I don't really want a jerk chicken, I want something different, you know? So they got like hand sanitizers here.
Hand sanitizer?
Yeah. So finally I got something to eat at the moment, pretty much. I kind of really like hotel food because like there's so many different things, so like the plate looks weird, but anyway, I got like pizza, I got clams or oysters, I got beef and pork, rice and peas, and some broccoli, and some mini drinks. That's pretty much what I got right now. I'm gonna go back to eat some more, I'm not really sure. But like the backdrop is really nice. It's very open, I like the concept here. And the people are kind of polite, they smile when you walk by, so it's nice. Like just now, before I was saying like I want to stay away from jerk chicken because I have that all the time, but then we end up with this. Because like the pork and the beef, they weren't so flavorful, and I guess because you probably need to put toppings on it. But like for me personally, I hate these situations where there's like so many different kinds of food because we get confused. Like I get so confused, like I don't know what to put on the plate. So I went for the basic option, which is jerk chicken, some kind of coleslaw looking thing, festivals, and some dessert. And so far, the jerk chicken, yo, beautiful. guys know me, like typically, once I see the sand, I have to take off my shoes because I want to feel like the sand on my feet and stuff. But like, check this out, yo. Wow, this is awesome. It's like there's a reef kind of, so you have the sea, but then they trap the water in here, so it appears like the water is like crystal clear. So I like that. Wow. So like, I'm just sitting down here at a bar drinking, and the first thing that I thought to myself is like, the architect wasn't really thinking about the hotel much. Why? I have to constantly be wearing my sunglasses because my eyes are being blinded, not just by the white sun, but also by the whiteness of the hotel. So like, I've never been to the beach before where I had to like wear my sunglasses this intensively. It's extremely bright. You could feel like the furnishing is white, the hotel is white, the sand is pretty white, so like there's not enough contrast to actually prevent that glare from the eyes. But this is my point of view. But like in terms of like the atmosphere and the breeze and whatever, it's like really nice. The staff, people are extremely friendly, even though I'm not speaking with like an accent or anything like that. Like when I talk to them, I speak Jamaican, and like them deal me good same way. So far I'm enjoying it. But really and truly, I want to play tennis. That's what I'm waiting to do, just to play tennis. But still like waiting on the room. So yeah. And that's where I want to get to. I need to play some tennis. So I'm going to do really quickly, I'm just going to rewrap these because they're gone to hell. Look, they're like flaking off and it's like really sticky because I haven't played in a while. So yeah guys, I've been in the room for a minute, a little bit out of it because like honestly I don't really feel like the vlog, but I took my stuff, so I'm gonna vlog as much as I can for you guys. Really, I just want to chill for this week, for these the next 2 days, and just want to relax, do the stuff that I love. You know, I'm honestly not really like a hotel kind of person where like all these stuff or whatever, but it's good to experience things every now and again. I'll give you the quick room tour properly. Of course, there's a bed. I already went on it for a second, so it's a bed right there. They have a little lounge area, can relax and stuff. You have like an office area which I'll be using because I might have a little bit of work to deal with. You have like a small bar area which they restock. The guy was showing me the tour. I wasn't even really listening to him, to be honest, because I was just busy just taking in the scenery. You have these stuff here that they restock, so once you use them, they come in the room, they restock it. Oh, and then you have this part. Did I tear something? I don't even know. But whatever. This is like to look into the bathroom for the perverts out there. Let's see. Okay, why are the bathroom lights not on? So this is inside the bathroom really quick. You have towels up top. Then you have this nice little laying hot tub. I might use this a little bit. Then you have these stuff. I was using this. This is all misted up because whenever you open because everything in here is automated. So if you leave the room, everything automatically turns off. So as you might realize, like I have to put my key card in here. Kept my key card in here so it knows that someone is still inside the room. But down there I'm on the lounge just chilling out, re-gripping my tennis racket. And of course, with the hot air from outside and cold air inside, it messes up these things. So, you see me, you have the shower. And that's the shower and thing, you see me, keep it simple, it's nice. Then you have your shitter over here. Yeah. That's pretty much the bathroom, and then as I was saying, you have this little perverted section where, let me step on this, where, you know, you can be showering, and if you're staying with somebody, they can be looking at you and stuff, so. Yeah, that's pretty interesting. Or maybe you can use it to watch TV in a more religious way. So, you have that, and then closet space. Oh, you have a safe. Here's a safe. Have some stuff there, and your closet space. You have like robes and all these stuff, so it's pretty cool. Like I won't lie to you, sometimes it's good to like treat yourself and stuff, so yeah. But right now I just really want to lay down for a little bit, but I want to play some tennis, so you guys will see me doing that in a bit. So like I've been on the tennis court for a minute, and I'm honestly not really feeling the mood. Because I thought it was gonna be like how can you say, like a tennis guy here that can play to actually get like rallies. With the game of tennis, you need to have like constant movement, constant hitting of the ball to like get a rhythm. But I'm not really getting that, and I'm really bored just sitting down here now. And I have a slight headache as well, so honestly I really don't feel like to vlog right now. So you guys might be seeing me vlogging tomorrow, because like I'm not in the mood at all. In a grumpy mood.